Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look what I got today. It is my unboxing of my April BIBBIDI Bop. So let's check it out and get into it. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. So, ooh, purple. Everybody's got laughing place. Oh, everybody's got a laughing place. Okay, let me take this stuff out and then we'll go through it. Well, let's see. Let's do a peekaboo. Maybe. A peek, a peek. Ooh, a peek, a peek. A peek, a peek, a peek, a peek. Okay, I'll take it out and we'll be back. Okay, so first off, everybody's got a laugh in place. This is the packing slip. It comes in this beautiful jacket. And I get the magical ultimate magic box. It is $111 and then plus shipping. So let's see what we got. Ooh, first off, check this out. It's a Jack Skellington key, and it's a keychain. Love it, love it. Metal, The Nightmare Before Christmas. Look at Oogie. Yes, thank you. And then we have a t-shirt. It is my size. Oh, and it's the Silver Surfer. Check it out. From Guardian. And then we have a Marvel lanyard. Iron Man, I think. Yep, so this is a Marvel lanyard. And then, ooh, what is this? We got a Hello Kitty patch, a iron-on patch, and then look at this Dumbo bag. Oh, the very thing that holds you down are going to lift you up. Oh, so it's a Dumbo Lounge Fly bag. So, pocket there. Pocket there, inside pocket here, straps. It's like soft vinyl. And smooth, soft and smooth vinyl. But that's the backpack. So that was my BIBBIDI Bobbity box. This is the last box that I am getting. I've canceled my subscription because now I need to start saving money for my trip to Disneyland as soon as they open up to out-of-state residents. So, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. Please consider liking and subscribing. And until my next video, shakas!